Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a little steampunk video. This is part of a collaboration that I put together. I do it every month. I have a group that I've put together. It's open still if anybody's interested. It's open to anybody with a YouTube channel. You can be a doll collector or not. It is a doll related challenge though, and every month I give out a word for the group and then everybody does a video related to that word. So for September 2021, the word was steampunk. And I started thinking about different things to do, and this little doll and her ragtag Snow White outfit came to mind. To me, it has a little bit of a steampunk vibe, and I think with a little bit of whooshing or swooshing or whatever, I can turn this into more of a steampunk look. So I'm going to start with her. This is, if you don't know, this is Sorry. She is a customized doll. She actually has one of her eyeballs is rolling around in her head and I need to fix her. But right now, she was part of the challenge that I did, the Snow White challenge that I did with Marna over at Dolls Rescue. And she's still got her little Snow White outfit. This was inspired by Snow White and the Huntsman. But I think it's got a, like I said, I think it has a steampunk kind of look to it. And I have some accessories that I think I can fix up. So I'm going to try to alter this costume a little bit. And one way to do that is to add some accessories. And for sure, I thought a hat came to mind. And as it happens, I bought some of these little hats when I was putting together a Mad Hatter tea party table as part of a club rush that I did with my college for my craft club, and it fits in a Blythe doll. So I'm going to jazz this hat up. I also took a little trip to Michael's recently. I filmed it. It may be out by the time I post this video. I don't know for sure. I need to edit it. But I did find these little, they're sticky on one side. This was in the scrapbooking section. So I think these little accessories I can use to whip up something. And like I said, I'm going to kind of alter her outfit a little bit, maybe change out a few things, add a few things. So hold on for the big reveal. And by the way, if any of you are interested, we still have future challenges that we'll be doing every month. So just message me. You can either comment down below and ask me, or if you want to email me at tammypowley@yahoo.com, I can give you the full details. But also make sure to check out hashtag Steampunk Doll Challenge to check out all the other people who are participating in this September challenge. Okay, here is Sorry in her outfit, her old Snow White and the Huntsman outfit that has now been transformed into a steampunk outfit. And basically I kept the dress and I changed out her boots to some higher boots that are about up to her knees. And I can't remember where I got these from. I want to say that maybe they were Blythe Adores Anna, but that doesn't seem right to me. I think those are a little bit different, but you can see they are, woo! They are much bigger boots than what she had on before. I think they have more of a steampunk look to them. So I found some striped fabric in my fabric scraps and ripped it and cut it, and I didn't finish it. I wanted it to stay rough and raw on the edges there. You can see a little bit of that. I made a little hair tie. It pulled her hair over to the side except for one little straggly piece here. Added a little watch face. I stitched this little, I don't know what you call this thing, sort of like a little banner thing across her. I stitched this together and then this was sticky, so I stuck that on there. For the hat, same kind of thing. I made a piece, I took a piece of scrap, cut it, and then I stitched the two pieces together, knotted it here on the side, and then stuck on these little watch pieces. And there she is. I think she looks pretty cute. That was like a super duper fast, what do I have in my stash other than I did get this at Michael's, sort of DIY. And yeah, I think it's cute. I would like to do more steampunk, and I think might be some future collabs from a few people. If I remember correctly, maybe, I want to say that maybe Marna might be doing one, and J Dolls. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you've heard of any steampunk collabs as far as dollies go. And don't forget to check all the other YouTubers out there who are doing this. Do a search on hashtag. I'll write the hashtag down below. But do a search on hashtag Steampunk Doll Challenge, and you will be able to see lots of other YouTubers who have done some pretty cool videos today. Again, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks for stopping by, and have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.